This is polynomial part 7, and in this video we will learn about formula for finding the quadratic polynomial. Okay, then when the zeros are given, then we have to formula quadratic polynomial is equal to k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay, where k is non-zero real number. Non-zero real number, you know that rest to zero all real number. Okay, that is non-zero real number. Expect to zero, it means left to zero. Okay, then our first question is find the quadratic polynomial. First example, find the quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros and product of zeros are given following. It means this is first sum of zeros and this is product of zeros, and we have to formula quadratic polynomial is equal to what? K into x square minus sum of zeros is what? 4x, 4 into x, plus product of zeros. Product of zeros is 1, and now it is x square minus 4x plus 1. When we take value of k, when there is any number which are in denominator of in this term, okay, then we use k. Otherwise we take k is equal to 1. We take k is equal to 1. Let k is equal to 1. Okay, that is our answer. After this, second question is quadratic polynomial 0 minus 3. It means k into, here there is no any term which are in denominator, so we do not take 0. Okay, quadratic polynomial is equal to what? Quadratic polynomial is equal to x square minus what? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is 0 into x plus minus 3, which is x square minus 3. Our answer. Okay, third question is, okay, quadratic polynomial is equal to what? X square minus 7 by 6 into x square minus sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is what? Minus 7 by 6x plus minus 5 by 4, that is product of zeros. We have to take value of k because there are some terms which are in denominator. Okay, and then here when we solve this, we get LCM of these two terms is 12, and here 12x square plus 7x plus, sorry, 1 minute, that is wrong, not 7, 6 to the 12 and 2 7 the 14x minus 4 3 the 12, 5 3 the 15. Okay, now let what we take the value of k. The value of k we take denominator of this number. Okay, that is 12. Then we take, let k is equal to 12. Whatever the number here, we take the value of k, because here where k is non-zero real number, any real number we can any non-zero real number we can take. Okay, then here our answer is 12 into 12x square plus 14x minus 15 by 12, and 12 get cancelled, that is 12x square plus 14x minus 15. Okay, our next example, we see the next example. In this example we have question that find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given following. Okay, what is the zeros? That is our zeros. What? 3 minus 3 second. Okay, now we solve one by one this question. Then we have to find what? Here first, that is the zeros. Then we take alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 3. Then let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 3. Then we get alpha plus beta is equal to, first we have to find alpha plus beta, because we have formula what? Sum of zeros into x and product of zeros. In the previous question we here given sum of zeros and product of zeros, but here the question says zeros are given, not sum of zeros are given. Okay, so we take carefully of this, otherwise you will wrong in the examination. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 3, which is 0, and alpha into beta is equal to 3 into minus 3, which is minus 9. And we have to formula what? Quadratic polynomial is equal to k into, but we do not take k because there is no any number which are in denominator. Okay, then it is k square minus sum of zeros is 0x plus minus 9, which is x square minus 9. Okay, first question solved. Okay, second question, 3 plus minus 7. Okay, here given two zeros. First is 3 plus 7 and second is 3 minus, sorry, here it is root 7. This question is root 7. Okay, root 7, that is first 0 is what? 3 plus root 7 and second 0 is 3 minus root 7. Okay, now we solve this problem. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus beta, 3 plus root 7 plus 3 minus root 7, which is 7 and 7 get cancelled, that is 6. Okay, now alpha into beta is equal to 3 plus root 7 into 3 minus root 7, and you know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, that is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now we have quadratic formula for quadratic polynomial is equal to k into, but we do not take k because here there is no any number which are in denominator. Okay, now quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros is what? 6x plus product of zeros is 2. Okay, that is our answer. And last question is what? 2 plus minus root 3. Then we have what? Alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 3. Okay, now alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 3 plus 2 minus root 3 by 3. Okay, LCM 3 and we get what? 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled, that is 4 by 3. Now alpha into beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 3. We get what? 4 minus 3 by 9, which is 1 by 9. Now quadratic polynomial is equal to k into, because here is number which are in denominator, so we have to take k. Sum of kx square minus sum of zeros is 4 by 3 plus product of zeros is here one thing, sorry, x, and product of zeros is what? 1 by 9. Now it is here LCM is 9x square minus 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, x plus 1, and let k is equal to what? K is equal to 9. Now 9 into 9x square minus 12x plus 1 by 9 get cancelled, and our answer is 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Okay, now we see the another example related to this question. Okay, our next example is, if alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 7, then find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. How we have to solve this question? Here question says that we have to find another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. How we have to solve this? Okay, you see, then first we have to find what? Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then alpha plus beta is equal to what? Sum of zeros minus b by a minus 5 by, which is 5 by 2, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is 7 by 2. Okay, now we have to find a polynomial whose zeros are itna. Then we know that what is the formula for quadratic polynomial? Formula for quadratic polynomial is k into x square, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Then first we have to find sum of zeros. Okay, sum of zeros whose zeros are what? Whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta is equal to what? 3 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 alpha 1 minute 3 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 alpha plus 3 beta, that is 4 or 3 7 alpha plus 7 beta. Now it can be 7 into alpha plus beta is equal to 7 into alpha plus beta is what? 5 by 2, which is 35 by 2. That is the sum of zeros, okay, whose zeros are these two zeros. Okay, now product of zeros whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Okay, now we product these two terms and we get what? 3 alpha plus 4 beta into 4 beta plus 4 alpha plus 3 beta is equal to 4 3 ja 12 alpha square plus 3 3 ja 9 alpha into beta plus 16 alpha into beta plus 12 beta square. Now we get what? 16 and 9 25 12 alpha square plus 12 beta square, that we cannot add, and 12 alpha square plus 12 beta square and 16 and 9 25 alpha into beta. Now we put the value here, we take common 12 and we get 12 alpha square plus beta square, and that is 25 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is what? 7 by 2. Now 12 into alpha square plus beta square, we know that we have read previously, alpha plus beta to the whole square minus 2 alpha into beta plus 25 7 ja 175 by 2. 12 into, that is whole multiplied with whole. Now alpha plus beta to the whole square is equal to, alpha plus beta is what? 5 by 2, that is 25 by 4 minus 2 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 7 by 2 plus 175 by 2. Now 12 into, that is LCM is 4, 25 minus 14 plus 175 by 2. Now it is, we get 12, 4 3 ja 12. Now it is 3 into what? 25 minus 14, that is 11 plus 175 by 2. Now 33 plus 175 by 2, that is 66 plus 175 by 2, which is 6 5 11 14 241 by 2. Now we can find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this. Then quadratic polynomial whose zeros are dot dot dot, that means this thing here. Okay, then k is, we have to take k because there is infraction. Okay, and one thing it is here, it is wrong. Alpha into beta is what? Alpha into beta is no, okay, it is right, 7 by 2. Now our polynomial is what? Sum of k into x square minus sum of zeros is what? Sum of zeros we have already found 35 by 735 by 2, okay, into x plus what, 241 by 2, and that we get what, 2x square minus 35x plus 241 by 2. When we take k is equal to 2, then we get cancel, and now our answer is 2x square minus 35x plus 241. That is our answer. Okay, we see the next example. Our next example is same, but here polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 15. Okay, 2x minus 15, and whose zeros are 1 plus beta by alpha and 1 plus alpha by beta. Generally we have to solve, first we have to find what, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 2 minus 2 by 1 is 2, and alpha into beta c by a, that is minus 15 by 1 is equal to 15. Now we have to find sum of zeros whose zeros are what, same. Similarly we have to solve zeros are 1 plus beta by alpha and 1 plus alpha by beta is equal to what, 1 plus beta by alpha plus 1 plus alpha by beta is equal to 1 1 2, and plus, that is LCM is alpha into beta, beta square plus alpha square, that is alpha square plus beta square. We know that alpha plus beta to the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, alpha plus beta to the whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha into beta 2. Otherwise we can solve easily, that is too long. We solve here alpha into beta, 2 alpha into beta plus beta square plus alpha square. Now we can write here alpha plus beta to the whole square by alpha into beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to what, 2 to the square by alpha into beta is what, minus 15, which is what, 4 by minus 15. Okay, now product of zeros whose zeros are the same thing, then what we get, 1 plus beta by alpha into 1 plus alpha by beta is equal to 1 into 1 alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 1. When we multiplied we get 1, that is what, 1 1 2 plus same thing, it comes same thing, these and these are same things, these terms and these terms are same thing, then we can directly we can write the value of that is minus 4 by 15. Now quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus alpha plus beta is what, 4 by minus 15 into x plus minus 4 by 15, that is what, let k is equal to 15 because here denominator it is in 15, minus plus 4x minus 4. Now k is equal to 15 x square plus 4x by 4 by 15, that get cancel. Now it is answer is 15x square plus 4x minus 4, that is our answer. Okay, these are the some types of these examples. Okay, I hope that you can solve any types of question of any books. If you have problem, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you for attending the class.